Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the Maxident, your trusty news reporter for Sass Nation News. We're here today to bring you an exclusive look into a courtroom drama that's been making headlines. Let's dive right into it. Inside these hallowed halls of justice, we have the Honorable Judge Sassinator Steph presiding over a rather intriguing case. Judge Sassinator Steph, known for her no-nonsense approach, will be ensuring justice is served. Keeping everything in check is our diligent bailiff, Chabacle. On one side, we have the plaintiff, Bobcat, seeking justice with the help of his dedicated lawyer, Luca. On the other side of the courtroom, we find the defendant, Zacchaeus 12_2, who's defending his case with the assistance of his legal counsel, Kobe. And there you have it, folks. The stage is set for a courtroom showdown like no other. We'll be closely following the proceedings and bringing you all the updates as they happen. Stay tuned to Sass Nation News for the latest on this captivating case.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Southern District of Sass. What we have here today is just, to be honest with you, comedy. Let's have some fun with this, have some laughs. But at the same time, these guys have been preparing this, so we're not going to be reading chat. We're not going to be responding to anything until we're done with this. But I hope y'all have fun. But with that said, all rise for the honorable, yes, but dishonorable, the classy yet sassy Sassinator Steph. Hey, you're muted.
Thank you, Papal Bailiff. Ladies and gentlemen of the court, I am here to present case number 743216 in the Southern District of Sass. In my court, we will pray for everyone, bless their hearts, and hear what they have to say. I take no nonsense nor alerts at this time, so please be advised. In the case of Bobcat 452 versus Zacchaeus 12_2, court is now in session. We will now hear from our plaintiff, Bobcat, and his legal team named Luca_Rose_. Plaintiff, tell us why we're here today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today, the matter at hand for us today concerns not only an act of poor taste and misconduct against Bobcat, but to all of the defendant's viewers. Bobcat was banned and timed out for merely using the resources that the defendant has set up on his stream. I feel the defendant has always had it out for Bobcat in many of his streams. We see this as clear vendetta to humiliate this innocent man, as evidence will show how he laughs at Bobcat for supporting someone he thought was a dear friend of his, sending out his hard-earned bits just to help a streamer out. Your Honor, the very act of wrongfully banning Bobcat, or he himself has done in another stream as well. This evidence will show at the same time. Today, I'm asking the court to think of how they would feel if they were to support someone out and just love them and get banned for it. What we hope to get out of this lawsuit is just for a video apology for such a heinous crime against my client, as well as the viewers who may feel scared that they too will be treated like my client has been. I do have a statement for Bobcat, which he is not able to be here today, and he says, "My heart is shattered for someone who used to be such a dear brother to me would even think of doing this. I can only hope it gets resolved and that justice is served." Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Luca_Rose_. Defense, what do you have to say in response to this? Thank you, Luca. Defense, what do you have to say in response to this?
Your Honor, on behalf of my client, I would like to ask that this case gets dismissed.
Motion denied. Absolutely not.
All right, in that case, we would like to countersue on the case that there is no grounds for this case. And I would like to request a jury by chat.
Zacchaeus, what do you have to say about this?
Want to say that ultimately my heart is just broken over this. It's somebody I thought was a dear friend, and it's just sad that he would do such things to me. I didn't see this coming. He came in, and I warned him several times. I'm just heartbroken, Your Honor. That's really all I gotta say. It's a sad developments. That's all.
Well, there you have it, folks. This court case will continue in roughly 2 weeks, where we will dive deep into the trial of this case between Bobcat 452 and Zacchaeus 12_2. Stay tuned, because the jury will be the chat. You decide what happens in this case, folks. Bailiff, close us out.
All rise. As Judge Sassonator Steph exits court, again, as she had just said, chat will be the jury in approximately 2 weeks when we schedule this. I hope y'all had fun. See you next time.
Justice will be served. Well, guys, how do we feel about that? Surprise! Oh my goodness. Wasn't that incredible? We worked so hard. We worked so hard on this. Oh, I need context. Okay, that's totally fair. So for those that don't know, Bobcat is a really good friend of Zacchaeus, and in Zacchaeus' stream, Bobcat was playing some sounds, allegedly, okay? And Zacchaeus timed him out for it. And so this is how the court case started, because they were both presenting their evidence to me on who is right or wrong. And I said that I will be deliberating. And it just evolved into this. So it just became a huge thing, and we have been planning it. Yeah. Yes, we went so extra. Oh, goodness. Can you sue Mackie? Absolutely not. She is our head of the press right now. She's like, no, you can't. Yes, so it is very silly. And I'm telling you guys, in 2 weeks, roughly, we're going to be doing the trial on Twitch. It is going to be way longer than what you guys just saw. And it's going to be very extra. We're going to be submitting evidence to play it before the jury, y'all. And we're going to even do a prediction at the end of it. And you guys decide who wins based on the, sorry, I had to hiccup while I was talking. Who wins based on the evidence submitted. And it's going to be so fun. It's going to be, if you enjoyed that, trust me, the court case is going to be extremely extra. Extremely extra. So, I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we have, because seriously, and I messed up on my audio because I got too nervous, but it'll be fun. Dude, the hardest thing about having to sit there, because none of us wrote, like, we had no idea what each other were going to say, and it's going to be the same for the case as well. We had no idea. And so what you heard just now, we had to all stifle laughter. And it was... I had no idea what Zacchaeus was going to wear. I had no idea the tears or nothing. So that's all. That's a surprise to all of us. incredible. Just incredible. Mackie rocks. She absolutely does. She really does. It was all improv. We wouldn't tell each other what we were going to say exactly. I hope y'all enjoyed the silliness, though, because it has been so hard not to talk about it. We've had to make private channels and have private meetings about it, and it's been really hard to keep it from everyone because I'm really bad at that, but it was so fun. We only knew what order things were going to happen exactly. So feel free to spam Justice for Bobcat or Justice for Zacchaeus anytime. Very, very hyped up. Very hyped up about this. Goodness.